Hi everybody, I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to unpack or unbox, whatever you say, this Book Chor parcel. And I'm super excited because it is going to be, for the first time, I'm going to unbox or unpack Book Chor parcel on my channel. So stay tuned. I'm really impressed. Like, my books have got a very good treatment. Okay, look at this. Look at this. You will never receive this kind of packaging from all the other e-commerce like Amazon, Flipkart, you know. And first of all, let me show you terms and conditions. This thing I have got, and they have wished me the new year, 2022, new year, and it's probably a sticker, something like that, but no, it's a code that I can apply for the next purchase, HNY100, and then I will get another 100 rupees discount, so that's a good thing. Now, bookchor.com, I think these are the bookmarks, I don't know, maybe not. Okay, so these two cards I have got, and okay, so first time, bear with me, don't get irritated. All right, okay. What am I doing? Wow. The most precious thing, I'm very excited. I don't know what I'm doing right now, but yeah. So these books I've got, but first thing I must tell you is that this book is pretty damaged, but the price I, spent for this is okay, no problem. I'm so happy. Okay, so let me tell you the message that Book Chor has, handwritten message, which is really impressive. Hello Ujjwal Das, this is to thank you for making a purchase at bookchor.com. We are glad to have you aboard with us. Okay, like this, you can see this. Okay, and I just want to take it off, because this is the book, Bridge of Clay, author of The Book Thief, and the quality is amazing. The quality is amazing, I must tell you, and oh my God, can you believe that? Like, I just want to tell you, it's like a hardcover. Condition is superb, it's like it seems to be new, like it's amazing. Wow. Okay, so this book cost me probably rupees 199, I think. Okay, 199, and I've got this book at 199. Can you imagine? Like, I'm so happy. I'm speechless, really. I can't tell you how happy I am. Yeah, and that's the first book. This is the first book. Yeah, so you see. Okay, these are the bookmarks. Okay, I've got two bookmarks, and another one. Ooh, so amazing. So cute book it is, and I only spent 49 rupees for this. I think I'll just put out the price details on the screen, so just check it out. Okay, so look at this. Look at this book. Look at this one. Yeah, I know it's like second hand, I think, second hand book, but content matters, and the quality of the book is amazing. Trust me, you should purchase this kind of copy if you are just running out of money. like me, like, you know. Anyway, so no words. There is a story behind this book. The current cover of 100 Little Flames by Preeti Shenoy is different, but I wanted to get this one. But I saw that updated cover on Book Chor. I thought that they will give me the updated cover that I didn't want to receive. And this is the oldest cover, The book was published with this cover. And this book is very old, but I'm really satisfied with this book. It cost me probably nearly 120. I'll put out here the price details. So it's amazing, and I'm looking forward to reading this book. I'll put out a book review, detailed book review on my channel. So okay, so you will get the entire information about the book. Not entire, but I'll just give you something about the book. Okay, now Chetan Bhagat's The Girl in Room 105. I think I don't know how much I spent, but it is way cheaper than Amazon and Flipkart. But it's second-hand. It's a second-hand book, of course, and it's a one-time reading. You are not going to read this book twice. I know that. So when you are going to read this book once, then why should I pay like 200 rupees for a book? It probably cost me around 100. So you can see the actual price here. It's amazing. I'm so happy that I've got this book at this cheaper price. Okay, the quality of this book amazing. And by the way, Keshav Saurav detective stories series. There are 3 books that Chetan Bhagat has written. This one, The Girl in Room 105, One Arranged Murder, and the recent Chetan Bhagat's book is 400 Days. So I'm gonna put out a detailed review on these 3 books. So I have finished 400 Days and An Arranged Murder, and now I'm going to read this book. I'll finish it a single sitting or a couple of sittings, and then I will put out a detailed review. Okay, so you have to subscribe to my channel for that if you want to get all the videos whenever I upload on my channel. Just you have to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, do the all, so that you get notified whenever my videos are uploaded on my channel. Moving on to the next book. All right, Burnt Shadows, Kamila Shamsi. No idea about the book, but I found this book so interesting, pretty second-hand. And let me tell you one thing, like I feel good when I hold a book which is second-hand. Like it gives me kind of a feeling that somebody has read this book and you have got something traditional, something like oldest kind of thing that you have got, and you just have to give it a go right now. So it's a fantastic thing. Like, I don't know about others, but I know about my feeling when I hold something old. That gives me, I don't know, but it compels me to think about other memories. So yeah, same thing is happening right now, and I'm so excited, and I'll put out the price here so you can see, but this is very cheaper, by the way, than the original price. And the last one, book number 6, is A Walk in the Woods, Bill Bryson. I found this book very cheaper. Probably I found this book at rupees 69 or 59. Yeah, so I thought I should give it a try. And these books are old but not pirated. The most important thing is this: you buy a book and the book is pirated, duplicate copy. You feel really disappointed. But when you buy a book which is old but not pirated, torn but not pirated, or damaged or tempered but not pirated, you actually feel good that somebody has read the book. And sometimes if I find the book has been annotated, I don't mind. because the reader who just found some lines important and he or she annotated that. I would love to read those books, those who have already been annotated. You know what I mean? So this, I know you're gonna get a heart attack, but please take care of yourself once I reveal the entire price that I've spent. These 6 books, guys, these 6 books, okay, these 6 books, can you imagine? 605 rupees. Like 600, like, is it a joke going on? Like 605 rupees, like I'm speechless. Like, I have shopped a lot of books on Amazon, Flipkart, and like this is the first time I've done this. And let me tell you, I regret. I regret, but I can't rewind, I can't change the thing that I've done. But yes, this time I'm very satisfied. Thank you so much, Book Chor, with this handwritten message. I'll just put it somewhere, 2 bookmarks. And I'm so happy, my new year. I'm just shooting this video on 31st December 2021. Tomorrow is the first day of 2022. I'm really happy, and I hope you are happy watching this video. If you want to get such videos like this, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll just put out some contents. You will get the notification, that's it. And a new book review is coming, so keep watching. Until then, take care and bye.